Where the mini roundabouts, you are relying on signs, so look for signs because they're not raised. There's like white circle painted on the road.
Yep.
On the major roundabout, if you are going straight ahead, let's say first exit or second exit, or just going straight ahead, you always signal left after the first exit gone or after the middle, so oncoming traffic will know where you're going.
Yep.
Where in a mini roundabout is important when you're going straight ahead, whether you're going first exit, second exit, you don't signal. Okay, because it's such a small space, you would rather control your steering, and that's how other people know you're going straight ahead. Okay, that's number 2. Now obviously number 3, on the major roundabouts, usually we try to go like a moon crescent. We follow the curb quite left. Mini roundabouts have got a very different layouts. Sometimes you can't, sometimes you just have to go straight. Okay, now what's common on all of them, that all of them, as always, you always be approaching slowly. So your speed should be 20 miles or less, and you always be looking early. What you don't want, that you approach all the way to the end and then look on the last minute. No, as you're approaching, glance and look ahead, glance and look ahead is important. Okay, so look early is very, very important. Now the mini roundabouts we are going to do today, so we have got 3 mini roundabouts coming up ahead. Now what's important, the layout on the mini roundabouts. On this mini roundabout, there is no left turning, isn't it? Yeah. So it means as you're approaching, you're going to be looking at your right, if anybody coming or not. But this blue car is going straight, so they're not coming into your danger zone. Remember I told you about the danger zone? So anybody coming in front of your road, is you have to give it to them. So they cannot go to the left because there is no left road over it. They may make a U-turn, very, very unlikely, but if they're not signaling, means they're going. Remember I told you the clue is if they're signaling or not. So this blue car is giving no signal, means the blue car is going. So what's important to know, to understand the layout of the mini roundabouts, that do we have got any right road or not. Like in this one, there is no right road. That means as you're approaching is an open view, so you're looking ahead, you're not looking right. When this one, you're looking right because there is no left road. But on this one, it has got 4 exits. So in this one, not only you have to look your right, you also have to look ahead if they're coming onto your door. Anybody from the left should give you the way. You don't need to worry about it, but before you go, just glance on your left as well is important. Okay, so shall we try this? So I will talk you through first time on the mini roundabout. First triangle warning sign, a roundabout coming, is for every roundabout, but the main sign is a blue one. So we're approaching, there is no left road over there, it has got 3 exits. So by slow approach, that's it, is a closed view. So as you're approaching, glance to your right but look ahead, don't need to signal. Glance again, anyone coming? No. And quickly check your mirrors and then build up your speed again. Does it make sense?
Makes sense.
And push your speed. There was no left turning there, so it was a closed view. So build up your speed now gradually. You got early warning coming up for the roundabout in the triangle. It's for every roundabout, major or the mini ones. We're going down the hill. That's it. You got 2 mini roundabouts coming up. Can you see that?
Yep.
The first mini roundabout does not have got a right road. It's open view. So you're looking ahead. Anyone coming? Keep using your foot brake because we're going down the hill and we're going to go around it. Glance to your left but look ahead. Keep using your brakes, gentle brakes. This, no, go back to brakes and the roundabout. Glance to your right and look ahead. Anyone coming? No. And then quickly build up your speed again. But this one have got a right road. And now check your mirrors and push your speed to 28 to 29 now, please, for me. That's it. Take a deep breath. Is it a bit more difficult?
It is challenging. No, it's not difficult. It's doable.
Okay, good. As I said to you, that your multitasking level will go up. Usually, as a new learner, your first 7 to 10 lessons are very, very challenging, or you learning a lot because you're observing so much information, really.
Yeah.
So now let's recap again. So we did, going from here, we did 3 mini roundabouts. So the first mini roundabout we did, it did not have the left turn. So when you're approaching, you were mainly focusing on your right, but obviously looking ahead as well in case if that car wants to make a U-turn. So but normally you give it to cars coming from your right, but that first mini roundabout had a major wall, big wall over there, means is blocking your view up until the last second. So as you're approaching, always your speed should be 20 miles or less. You start glancing. Be prepared to stop and do your ladder. Look, assess, decide, and act. But if you feel nobody's coming, you can quickly go as well. Okay. And then after that, there's 2 more mini roundabouts we did. Now the first mini roundabout, you're going down the hill. Now what you did after the second one, you try to speed. We don't want to do that because you're going down the hill. We keep using, it's called twin roundabout. We need to keep using your brakes up until you pass the last mini roundabout. But the after that, the roundabout we did, the first one, there was no right road. So you're mainly looking ahead. Yeah. But remember, before you go, it's better to glance on your left as well. And whenever possible, we're going to see if we can go around the roundabout. Yeah, if possible. You don't want to go on top of the bend. Obviously, try to do that. This is why we're going to keep using our brakes. And after that, the other mini roundabout there. So third one, the last one on this road, there is no left road. So you're looking your right, but that right is a partially open view, means you can see nice and early if anybody coming or not. So because we're approaching slowly, you're looking early. If nobody's coming, you can go. Yeah. So we've got a mini roundabout coming up. I will tell you again, is a wall over there, slightly closed view. So where your foot should be, that's it. Slowing down and glancing, looking ahead. Anyone coming? No. And then quickly decide to go pick up a speed quickly and then push your speed now. That's it. Good. There was a first mini roundabout and it was a partially closed view as well. Okay. Good work. So first one, open view because there's no right road, but keep using your brakes. More brakes, your speed slightly high. We're gonna go around a little bit. Just keep using your brakes. Bit more brakes, keep using your brakes. And next one again, slow approach, glance. Is he signaling?
No.
No, so it could be going anywhere, isn't it? Yeah? Look at that, he's not. Now he's signaling and now you can go quickly. Make sense? That's good. So before he wasn't signaling means it could be going anywhere, isn't it? Yeah? Okay, so the next mini roundabout, we're going straight ahead, first exit.
Looking to my right.
Yeah, anyone coming?
No.
So quickly decide quickly and then check your mirrors quickly and then always check your mirrors before I speed up in case of somebody else overtaking you. Roundabouts, we're going straight ahead. So the first one, open or close view. There is no right road, is open, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just glance quickly and then keep going. Just gentle, that's it. Good. Okay, that's good. Well done. So the next mini roundabout coming up is a closed view mini roundabout. We're going to be turning left first exit and it has got 4 exits. So we're turning left first exit, please. Good. You want to do it by yourself? So lean your body forward. Stay to the left as well though. Gentle. Lean your body forward, Stella. Like this. Look ahead as well. That's it. Good. Push your speed now quickly. That's it. Good. So when you were turning left into this mini roundabout, you look to the right. What you're not doing, you're not leaning your body forward. Your first line of defense, leaning your body forward. But as you're turning left, look ahead as well. Because what if somebody's coming from ahead who want to come into your side of the road as well? How do you think you did today?
I think I am managing, but I need to keep practicing. I need to be more conscious of what I'm doing because I'm starting to build bad habits, which I
it's not about as a beginning. Your speed will get better. But remember, whenever you're approaching the roundabouts, we always approach slowly, 20 miles or less. Okay, guys, that's a hectic lesson finished with Stella today. You should always know that when you're a beginner, as you start driving more and more lessons, it will get slightly hectic for you guys. But as you do more driving lessons like Stella is doing, it should get ease off, it get better as well. So today's Stella'S was 4th lesson. So next lesson we're going to be doing the crossroad junctions. She is doing good. Obviously she needs a lot of help from me, which I'm going to keep doing, but hopefully We're gonna keep following her journey, and hopefully before you know it, she will go for a practical test and she will pass soon as well. Okay, so keep watching us, guys, and then please do subscribe my channel and like my videos as well, and that means a lot to me. So any words from you, Stella? You okay?
Thank you, Raya, for the lessons.
No, it's good.
You managed to help me a lot and guide me. So
That's
thank
good.
you.
Okie dokie. So that's it, guys. I will see you guys next time. So